What's your wow? What's your yummy? Oh,
What's yummy?
oh yeah.
This yummy.
Ni hao ma mga fanshit! At ito na nga, this is your Tombits Nasrin. And this is my first official vlog. Kung makikita nyo, birthday ng lola ko. At bago tayo mag-prank-prank, ito ang nangyari nung araw na yun. Ayan siya, napa-tears of joy ang lola ko. Siguro naiiyak lang talaga siya kasi nakanta ang aking nanay. Kaya may lang ma, love you. At ito na nga, inanda namin ni Nora yung mga timbulan ng mga bata. Eksena yan siya, si bakla. Sa akin, inihahangin yung palobo na yan. At syempre, tinulak ko siya sa dagat, deserve. Sabi ko sa pinsan ko, i-video kami, tinapat niya sa paa niya, guys. Anong gagawin ko sa paa mo, Anggi? Baliktad pa ang iyong short. At pagkapalit nga ng short ni Anggi, umeksena na kami nung paggabi na. Ayan, kung ano-ano nang iniimik ko dyan, guys. Hindi ko na din maintindihan ng sarili ko. Nahihiya naman ako. Baka isipin nyo wala akong hiya. Which is totoo din naman. Pero basta ayan, ito na, guys.
Yeah, with our fish. I saw it, Sina, with the Philippines. Okay, okay. Hello, ate. Good evening po, ate. Oh, it's okay. Oh, interview, 좋아, 자판리사. 건방아, ate. Sisa, hello to Kupero.
Hi.
Hello, you mama 같이. Only three questions.
Okay.
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 허츠와요, 치월, 기스기스와.
Yeah.
쇼로와요, fish.
Swimming.
Yeah, fish. Many.
Many fish. Many fish.
What you say? What you say?
Here in Gisgis,
Oh,
we have some more fish and sometimes more fun.
wow,
Yeah. And have a nice people here.
wow. You buy fish? How much? How much fish?
It's depend. If sometimes per kilo or sometimes it's a bidding.
Wow. Maganda din yung walaman ko yung ganyan.
Ano? Abis ko. Basta mo ako na lang pa.
Anak ka ng pu. A few minutes later.
We're gonna buy the sari-sari store. We're gonna buy the sari-sari store. I see Gina, what's up?
At ayun na nga, guys. Eksena yan si Tombits. Bibili na nga lang ako ng alak may pa-Chinese, Japanese pang nalalaman.
How much, Gina? 190, Gina. What GSM? GSM. Yeah. How much? Do you accept card? Card? Do you accept card?
Walang machine dito, te.
Nakakainis naman tong tao na to.
I buy here store.
Yeah.
Yes.
I saw you are a vlogger.
Yeah, no, explore from Japan. What's up? Konbanwa. Say hi to vlogger.
Hello, where you from, by the way?
I'm from Japan, Osaka.
Japanese.
Yeah.
What the greetings in your language?
What's a little
What's the word language?
Nihongo?
Your language.
Nihongo.
Nihongo?
Nihongo.
Okay.
Yeah, but only ask you 3 questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You Indo from Gisgisa.
Gis.
Yeah, this is what many fish.
Fish.
Yeah, how much for the fish?
It's a...
No.
Nosebleed.
It's okay, what's the fish?
Fish.
Yeah, how much?
How much?
Yeah.
We have a different
Wow.
it's different.
What's your favorite fish? Philippines?
And it's called blue marlin.
Oh, blue marlin.
Yeah.
Yummy,
Yummy.
It's sushi.
Sushi. Yeah.
Yeah, sushi. You're happy. How old are you? And are you happy, Philippines?
Yeah, we're happy.
Very happy.
Very happy. You know it's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah. Oo nga, te. It's more fun to, guys, in the Philippines po.
Yeah.
Masaya po dito.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Nagtatagalog ako.
Anak ka ng pu.
Visit. Walang iya.
Lawat, kuya! Lawat! Talaga, na-prank kayo. Sige.
1 hour later.
May alak na pulutan naman, guys.
Yeah, what's your money, Obisa?
Okay, hindi ko maano.
What's your way, good,
Okay,
bunny?
talking,
Is it okay to watch camera? Say hello.
Hello, mani.
What's your way, kuya? What's your sarap money? What's your yummy owashi? What's your yummy owashi money? Yung mic, kuya. You speak here. Yeah. Go.
You know Tagalog?
Ano yun? Little. Little.
Nakakainis naman tong tao na to.
What's your yummy?
What's yummy?
Oh, yeah.
Beef yummy.
Wow. That's yummy.
Ano yung mahal lang dito, Brad? Spicy. Little spicy and plain.
How much?
10, 20.
It's what? Oh, really? I see I see. Oh, it's okay. Ask 3 questions of you. It's okay? Okay. What's your name, Pablo? What's your name?
Sander.
Wow. Where are you from, Giskisa?
I'm not from here. I'm from Pulilo, Quezon.
Wow. Your English is good. Very good English. Kuya, you speak on my I hear Giskisa many fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
Yes.
How much? How much fish?
I don't know. I don't know.
But you happy Philippines? Happy you? Happy?
Yes, happy.
Yeah. What you watch rakyat sa student? What? Yeah, what's your student, huh?
Huh? What?
Okay lang kuya, bibili na lang ako ng mani para.
Ayun na yan.
Bibili na lang ako kuya mani.
Pero pinahirapan pa ako eh.
Kuya, ano masasabi mo na prank ka? Ano masasabi mo?
Dugo yung ilong mo. Masaya, alam, masaya. Masaya, pakiti mo ako dyan.
Laging natutulala tuwing lumalapit ka, tuwing lumalapit ka.
Napasaya daw natin si Kuya.
1 eternity later.
At anong masasabi mo sa performance ko kanina? Ang galing niyo po. Oh, naniwala ka ba? Napaniwala ka ba? Yan. Si ate naniwala siya ha. Tapos, papalo mo ako, te. Yan. Naniwala sila. Ayan sila kuya. Oh. Yan ang ating mga heartthrobs. Ay, nagpapa-shoutout si kuya.
Pinunutan ng Bulaking Chongason. Sila po ay magagaling.
Yes. Yan lang. Salamat po. Salamat, ate, kuya. Salamat. Kami at kami babarik muna. Baka miss na miss na ako ni Lula. For the go. Oh, ito guys.
Hindi mo naman namin ito kilala.
So, kunwari daw hindi nila ako kilala. Ayan.
Gusto ba makasama kayo na? Katami kayo ng ano?
Ay, kayo dapat nga kayo sinama mo.
I just had to let you know you're